Hey everybody, I'm back up in the Rocky Mountains of Montana, not too far from Yellowstone National Park. It's just across the valley from us. And I just wanted to show you this rig, some kind of a heavy-duty Chevy truck. And somebody has built a homemade cab up there to run that log grapple assembly. You can see how big the claws are on this thing. And this does get used quite a bit. You can see those logs down there, all stacked up nicely. So we've got some sort of a, like I said, a heavy-duty Chevy truck, flatbed. It looks to me like we've got a single-cylinder Honda engine running the hydraulic pump. Good. Yeah, that's an interesting way to do it, huh? But look at all the hydraulic lines on this thing. Goodness gracious. Probably got a couple $1,000 just in hydraulic lines here. I would imagine this is somehow hooked up to the truck's PTO, but I can't see where that coupling is. I can only see that. I can't really see what's going on down there, but there's got to be something powering that. And then the little engine running the hydraulics. Let's take a look inside the cab. I know this truck doesn't get driven on the road, so it spends all of its time up in the woods here in different locations running that log grappler. What are the chances I can get this hood up? I thought I was going to find a diesel in here, but looks like we just have a Chevy V8 350 if we go by that sticker. Gas engine. We are hunting for elk and deer on this trip, but there are also grizzly bears, wolves, and mountain lions up here in these hills. So I do look over my shoulder from time to time, and you have to remind yourself that you are in their territory and their habitat. This is not a world that's, nice to humans. It's a pretty harsh environment up here. Very high elevation, very cold, and you just gotta kind of respect where you're at and respect the creatures that are living up here. Anyway, this is a pretty cool old rig. Like I say, I know it works because he's just been using it recently. I just wonder how long ago somebody put this together. It's actually pretty creative the way they did it. And I've got one more thing to show you before I sign off here. I showed you guys this one last year, and I don't think it's moved from its spot, or at least it doesn't look like it has. But we've got its sister over here that wasn't here before. So I'm assuming this one is in operation. Still 6-volt. Gas in the sediment bowl looks pretty clean. Oil's a little dark, but looks all right otherwise. Even though it's yellow instead of green, this has definitely got a John Deere hood and, tin. And it's got a green block, 2-cylinder. So it's some type of John Deere. I'm smelling fuel as I kneel down towards it. John Deere tractor model MC. I don't want to try to start it because it's not mine and I don't want to damage anything or mess anything up. But it looks like this one's probably in operational condition. Got some nice welding there. That's some pretty looking stuff. This is a gasoline engine. Looks like a Marvel carburetor to me. I think these were primarily used for pushing logs and making roads up here in the woods. The guy that welded this was not the same guy that welded that. That is nice. And that, not so much. Well, that'll do it for this year's show and tell up in the Montana Rocky Mountains. We're going to head back to the cabin now and get warm. So we'll see you everybody on the next video. Thanks for watching and take care.